So what we're doing today, we'll be painting the stock exhaust tips. I got them soaking in some dish soap and a little bit of simple green, and then installing the MBRP catback exhaust, and lastly we're going to be putting on the 20mm spacers to flush out the wheels. And now we're going to see how that goes. It's pretty straightforward install, everything, but I'll get back to you when I'm started. So installation's complete. Painted the factory tips black just until the new tips come in from China. Biggest thing, make sure you get that centered, the muffler centered in the tips. Everything else probably pretty much went as expected, using the supplied clamps. Amazon's running late with my U clamps, so I'll just use that for now. Everything went on pretty well. The tips were bent a little bit right there, so I had to unbend them, but I'm gonna fire it up and see if I find any leaks.